It all starts with carbon steel, an alloy that's strong yet malleable. Machinery uncoils and straightens it. A large blade slices it to the desired length, producing sheets called blanks. Then it's over to a powerful press. This particular one is a trial press, which offers a better view of the process than the one on the production line. The press forces the blank into a die, giving it the basic shape of two car doors. It's a design that's been engineered for both aerodynamics and strength. Back on the production line, the main press is churning out car doors. An automated device with fingers then grips the newly shaped steel and transfers it to a punch cutter. It separates the two doors and trims the excess metal from the edges. With the outer door panels now complete, a handler inspects them for bumps, dents, or scratches. He approves only those that are absolutely flawless. The next worker arranges the window frame, a reinforcing plate for the hinge, and the inner door panel, all in a special clamping fixture. Its fingers grip the parts to hold them in position as the fixture rotates and two robots move in to weld them together. At the next station, the worker arranges steel bars and tubes on a robotic platform. They add strength to the door, so it will better withstand any impact. He places the inner door panel over the bars and tubes. The robotic platform angles the parts for welding. Another robot applies adhesive to the rim of the outer door panel. More robots dab adhesive at strategic locations. Those dabs match up to the tubes and bars on the inner panel as they made it to the outer one. A special press then folds the lip of the outer panel over the inner one. This hemming gives the assembled car door a neater edge. With the inner and outer panels now joined, the car door undergoes rust-proofing, paint, and other protective treatments. Now, over on the assembly line, a worker fits the handle into its niche and bolts it to the door from the other side. Chrome trim is clipped into place. Moving down the line, a worker installs a small fixed window in the groove of the frame. He uses a plastic protector to prevent scratches as he slides the larger window into its slot in the door and links it to a power lifting mechanism inside. He separates the two windows with a metal divider. At the next station, this car door gets an automated side view mirror. They're now ready for the inner panel and its workings. The employee wires the panel to the door and snaps it into place. He tests the power windows, and they close to a tight seal, indicating a successful installation.